Hi everyone, this is Keith again from everythingwares.com. This time we're going to deal with the part 2 of the basic point of sale tutorial for Microsoft Excel. This time we're going to insert an additional feature on our basic point of sale, which is the basic inventory. So to do that, I'm just going to create a new sheet for this one so that I have a backup in case there's something wrong that's going to happen. So just right click on this area, basic sales. I'm just going to click on move or copy. Then I'm going to choose move to end so that it will be placed just beside or the right area of the basic sales sheet. Then click on create a copy, then click OK. So as you can see, you have the basic sales 2 right here. So all I need to do is just to double click on that one. I'm going to change the name of this to basic sales with basic inventory, or INTY, which stands for inventory, whatever. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just to insert the feature, which is the inventory feature. Well, actually, guys, we're just going to insert only 2 columns for our inventory, because since this is just the basic inventory. So all you need to do is just right click on this area, click on insert on the total amount area. Right click again, insert. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to change the color of this one to something like a distinct color compared to what we have for the sale, so that we have an idea that this part is the inventory, something like that. So I'm going to name this column as on hand, or the stocks on hand. Then this one is the remaining stocks. Now let's say if the items or all of the details does not fit with the columns, all I need to do is just to highlight in this area the D and E, then double click. There you go. So we have the stocks on hand and the remaining stocks. Now the stocks on hand, so for example, if these are the stocks that you have purchased from your supplier and being placed on your stock room. So I'm just going to populate the data in here. Let's say I have 1,000 of camping tents, we have 900 of banana bed, we have let's say 300 of backpacks, I have 1,000 of supplies of the world solar powered camping lantern, 600 for this one, and 1,000 for this. There you go. Now what's going to happen is on the remaining stocks, these are the stocks that will be seen by the inventory officer if ever something is being purchased, something like that. So whatever is on hand will be deducted by the quantity, and automatically the remaining stocks will be the new quantity of stocks on hand, something like that. So to deal with that, start with an equal sign, then click on the stocks on hand, then deduct it by the quantity on how much item is being bought by a particular customer. Then press your enter key on your keyboard. Then as you can see in here, the remaining stocks is already 997. It's because someone has purchased 3 camping tents. Now to copy the formula downwards, all I need to do is just to hover my mouse in here, then double click. That's it. So if ever I'm going to purchase, let's say 10 of the solar powered camping lanterns, then automatically it will be 990. Okay, something like that. It will not reflect anything in here, well, basically because we are only dealing with the on hand and the remaining stocks. However, the formula will still continue with this one. Now as you can see in here, the numbers is transformed into something like a sharp sign or a hashtag sign. So all you need to do is just to double click on this area, because it only happens when um, the details or the values in here does not fit with the size of the cell. So just drag that one or resize it, then that's it. So I need to change the amount for this one because the total amount is already 10,267. So let's say I have 10,500 for my cash, then there you go. This is the new change and the new cash tender. So that is how you're going to deal with the remaining stocks and the on hand, which is also the basic inventory. So I'm going to change this one to basic point of sale with inventory. There you go. So we just have created the basic point of sale with inventory in Microsoft Excel. So this is Keith again. Subscribe for more of the updates and tutorials on everything wears. Bye for now.
Everything wears.